Hello friends and followers, and welcome back to the GRAFFCEMBER. Today I have a very crazy and cheap gift idea for you out there, because at the beginning of GRAFFCEMBER I promised that I have some gift ideas for you, and the idea is now to make cool shirts like this one here. You can see it there. They don't even exist at this moment, but we will create them together. I will show you how. We will cut now a stencil that looks like this one. So let's start. Okay, this fits perfectly, just 5 minutes of sketching. This was fast, incredible, and now we just have to cut this out. Ready! So fast, just 10 minutes. Let's go into my workshop. By the way, this is still the Halloween graffiti that I did together with Doug. Tomorrow it will be gone. So expect a great Christmas wall. Yeah. So I've got some t-shirts here. First, I need to clean up a little bit here. Oh, here is a little board. Hello, my name is Gloves. I don't even need a jacket, even if it is so cold outside, because this present is so fast. Hello, my name is. We flip up the board. We put some screws behind it or something else, so that you can lift it up like this. That. Perfect. And now we use a black can. Maybe write there the name of your mom. I will just write my own name there, just because of the thumbnail. Yeah. Look at this. The cutting was 10 minutes, and now you can make a lot of more different names on it. It is super fast, and it even lasts if you put it in the washing machine. But look! So freaking easy! Yeah, I hope that you had a little bit of fun with this crazy and fast gift idea. Make some presents for your graffiti friends, because they are so important for you. Your graffiti friends are the best friends on the world. Yeah, show some respect to your graffiti friends. This for example is Kier, my homie. Or here, this is Kayo. I did one for Kayo, for my wife. I did one for Doak. Of course, because Doak and me, we did so much great things. Mocha, Stoker. Oh, but there's one person is missing. Moan! This one is for you! Yeah, this was my crazy gift idea. So you just need some white t-shirts, some bags, or you can paint it on everything else. And if you want to know how the print looks like, if you put it out of the washing machine, yes, it bleaches out a little bit, but it still has this kind of vintage look. It looks cool, and yeah, for such a cheap present, it is good enough. That's it for today. I hope to see you back tomorrow in GRAFFCEMBER!